All right, guys, welcome to this video section. In this video section, I'm going to be walking you through how the Synergy LeadForge software works. And this is a 5-in-1 lead machine. It can scrape emails, it can scrape phone numbers, it can validate emails, it can send bulk emails, and it can send bulk SMS. Now, if this is your first time us visiting this channel, can you do something for me? Can you click on the bell icon and click on the subscribe button so that we get notified once I drop new videos? All right. So give this video a thumb up, and at the end of this video, I'm going to be dropping the link on how to download the software. Now, without further ado, let's get started. So this is the scraper. We have the validator, email blaster, SMS blaster. So now we have the lead management. You can save your list. So let's say in the lead management, we can create a list, add list. So let me just add my demo one. All right, so I'm going to scraper. So in the scraper, so I want to extract emails. I can also extract phone numbers. All right. Now, you can use keyword tools to generate your keyword. All right, if you don't have any idea, you can use the keyword tool. So just put your keyword, base keyword. Let me say I need online. Okay, make money online. Let's just say make money online. So that is my base keyword. So I need 10 keywords based on this. So once I click on generate keywords, it will generate the keywords for me. And you can see. So make money online, remote, you can see digital product monetization, affiliate marketing. So I'll just click on send to scraper. All right. So here, I'll pick the country I want to generate from, my Nigeria. Then city, maybe Lagos, or I can leave it. Let me just leave it blank. Now, what kind of email do you want to generate? So if you want to generate Hotmail or any other email, you can add it here. Let me say you want maybe Hotmail. Okay, there's Hotmail there. So let me say okay. Let's say we have Gmail, you have Yahoo. Let me say we have Yandex. Are people using Yandex? Yandex.ru. You can just add it here. So you can now select it and search. But now I'm going to select Gmail. I'm going to select Yahoo. All right. So I need Gmail, Yahoo, then Hotmail. So Outlook. So let me select this for. So if you have any network, maybe you want to select, you want to scrape from Facebook. All right. So you can type it here. Facebook.com. So add it, choose it. Then if you want to scrape from Instagram.com. Then you had it also. You pick it also. So it means I'm looking for these emails and all these social networks. So once you are done, just click on start scraping. All right. So it will say processing. So just give it a little time, like 2 minutes, for you to populate all these search results. Then it will start generating those emails for you. Has generated 40 emails for us here. You can see it. 40 emails. You can see Yahoo, Gmail. So Gmail, Yahoo, Gmail, Gala.net. You can see this. So it's still extracting. You can see it's extracting. Still extracting those emails for us. So you can see here it is 40. So if you wait like 3 minutes, 4 minutes, it will generate 200 depending on your search credit. Remember that we have configured our search credit. So now you can see this 51 now. Zoni Trust Loan Term, the Boy Store, you can see. So these are from Facebook and Instagram, and they are from Gmail, Yahoo. All right. So if you can just search on Facebook, you see all these emails there. But I don't want to do that for privacy reasons. All right. So it has generated 51. It's still generating. You can see it's still extracting. It's still extracting these emails. So the same way you extract for emails, you are going to extract for phone numbers also. So now I'm going to, you can see 109, 109, you can see 109, it's still extracting. So if you give it time to extract more than 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 emails for you, all right? You just leave it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop this for now, all right? I'm going to stop it. Then once I've stopped it, so I got 109 emails, then I'm going to validate these emails. How will I validate it? So you just need to click a button, just click on send to validator, all right? Just click on send to validator and it will send it to the validator. So now we are on the validator page. So once you send it, you can see all they sent to the validator. So these are this is going to check all these validation processes. Check disposable emails, strict syntax, advanced Gmail validation, role, validate all these. These are the things it's going to check. So once it's done, so you click on what start validation. So you can see the validation has started because you have started seeing some errors. In this error, you can see you have started seeing some errors here. So it's going to complete the validation process. So just give it like 2 or 3 minutes. So before it validates. So once it validates, then it's going to show you all the results, the validated ones and the invalidated ones. So as you can see, it has validated the 109 emails. Out of the 109, we have 81. Can see it here, 81 valid. Invalid is 28. Whole account is 3. So success rate 74.3%. So once this is done, so you can export your validation results. You can export valid emails only. Then you can also export invalid ones. Then if you want to, you can also add this to list. Add to list, then you pick the my demo one. So you can create a list, all right? You can create a list, lead management, add list, then you add a list, all right? So you can add them to the list, add to the list. So let me pick my demo one. So only valid emails added to the list, all right? So now, the next thing for you to do, you want to send bulk email. So you can see on a click on the button, just click on send to email blaster, all right? So you need to send the valid emails only, okay? So it has been sent to the email blaster. So you come to the email blaster here, all right? So you come to, then also, this is where you can enter your SMTP. So you can use Gmail SMTP, you can use Yahoo. So one thing about this software is that it rotates your SMTP. Let me say you have multiple Gmail accounts. Let me say you have like 10 Gmail accounts, 10 Yahoo accounts, 10 Outlook accounts. They can add everything here. You can add everything. Let me say you have 20. So on a Gmail account, you can send up to 500 when you're using your app password. So if you have 10, that is 5,000 emails, and it goes to inbox. Now, what the software does is that once you come to the message blaster here, you can see sending options here, sending option, you can see our email. Now, you need to click on rotate SMTP servers. Now, rotate for you can set it to, okay, every 10 emails that go out, rotate, it will change to another, server here, all right? So once you come to send the options, you need to click on rotate SMTP server. So once 10 emails are being sent, it will rotate to another server so that your SMTP will be very healthy. You can also set the sending time. Then you can also set your global email, all right? Reply to email. You know, if you have different SMTP, all right, you don't want to be getting a reply on each of the emails. So you can just set one global email. This one global email will cover for every of the SMTP that is going out. So anytime people wants to reply, you get the reply inside one email box. That is why this software is very, very powerful. Another thing is, once you come to your message composer here, then you can load templates. So you can load templates. Different templates are here. Okay, let's say I'm using this one. All right, so you can use your template. You can edit it. All right, you can edit it. Then also, you can also can preview the email, right? Can preview the email, then you can check spam score. So you can check spam score before you send, whether it will go inbox or not. You can see we have 7.8/10, high risk. So you can see, it means that if you send this, you have high risk, and it has given you some recommendation. Your email look good, consider these tips. Use a clear, you can see, it has given you, all right? Once you do that, you can check again, all right? So you can also generate your subject with AI, right? You can generate your subject, please enter content, you can generate your subject. Let's say, um, make money. Let's say AI also, right? You can generate your subject, okay? So you can generate your subjects, generate subject with AI. Okay, I think this is subject headline. So let me enter, okay, let me enter AI also here. So generate contents. So let me create this. So you can generate the content here from with AI. So it's still loading up. Still loading up. So it has different aspects of you can see it has generated the content for you. But this one is just a plain text that you can reformat it if you want. So you can change it to plain text here. You can see it has changed to a very neat one. The other time it was in HTML. You can change it to, and they can read through. If it's this what you like, you can send it. They can send as plain text or this. All right. So it's better you leave it as plain text. All right. So then after that, you come to sending options here. Then once you are done, so I'm going to click on start sending, all right? But I'm going to stop it once it sends like 3 or 4 because I don't intend to send. You can see this. These are sent using this SMTP. You can see. So I'm going to stop this. All right, stop. So I'll send 3. You can see successfully sent. Now that is that for email. Now for SMS. So we want to scrape our SMS. So I'm going to clear results here. I'm going to clear all this. Clear. Clear. Now, yeah, make money. I want phone numbers. So I'm going to deselect everything here because I'm dealing with phone numbers. So phone numbers, then I'm not going to select any Gmail. But if I want it from Facebook, I can click Facebook. But I just want it to be general. So I'm going to choose phone numbers. Then uh so I'm going to choose phone numbers here, phone numbers instead of email. Then I'm going to click on start scraping, right? Script phone numbers. So you start processing the numbers. So in like 2 minutes, so to start populating the results. So as you can see, it has generated 26 numbers and it's still extracting, right? It's still extracting. So I'm going to stop this for now. I'm going to stop this. Then once I stop this, you can see it has generated the numbers for me. So what I will do next is I will click on, you cannot send to validator. If you try to send to validator, the validator is for email. You cannot send. You can only export. Then you can also save it to list, right? You can save it to list. You can pick a list to save to phone number section there, all right? Then you click on send to SMS blaster, right? Send to SMS blaster, right? So it has been sent to SMS blaster. So the SMS blaster, so you need to connect it with your phone. This is my phone number. Then you connect your gateway URL, then your API key. All right. Everything will be explained once you download the software. So you need to test the connection. If your connection is okay, if it's connected successfully, you can see my connection is not on. So I'm going to go to the app on the phone to connect. I'm going to go to the app on the phone to connect my API key. So I'm going to connect my API key. In the next 2 minutes, the connection will be on. So let me just connect my API and let me switch it on. Okay, so I've enabled it. Now, if I click on test connection, boom, it's connected. All right, so I can now send these people messages. All right, so if I want to send for message, so I just say hello, hello, good day. I'm organizing a free 2-day online training on AI. All right, AI. So indicate your interests. Indicate your interest by replying yes. All right, you can see this. So delay between messages. So I want a 4 seconds delay between those messages. So I'm click on send SMS and boom, your SMS will start sending. All right, you can see it here sent. Can see sent. So everybody will be receiving, all these people will be receiving your SMS, right, on their phone. You can see sent. So this is the fastest way to build a list and to market your products. All right, everybody will be seeing your messages right away, SMS. So once it's done, so I'm going to stop this. So I'm going to stop this. Boom, you can see here, you can see the sent history, you can see sent, all are successful. So this is a very, very powerful software that you can get for your business today, and you can start your lead generation and cold outreach for your clients. All right. So in the description below, there is a link to download the software. Download the software and start using. And let me know in the comment section if this is what your business needs, at least to strive for small business owners. All right. Till then, I will see you in my other video.